Hello, thank you for joining our Florida Borrowers program. This video will walk you through the process on how to request materials from our online catalog so you can pick them up at the Strozier or Direct Scholar Support desks. To begin, visit lib.fsu.edu. Using the main OneSearch in the center of the home page, type in your book of interest or query. Once you've found an item that you're interested in, you will need to sign in before you can request it. You can sign in through the yellow banner at the top right corner, or within the item itself. When you click Sign In, you will choose the Florida Borrowers login option. You will need to sign in using the Florida Borrowers login information that was sent to you by email and what is written on your Florida Borrowers card. Once you're signed in, you will see a request link under the Get It section of the material you're interested in. Click on Request. As a Florida borrower, your pickup location will be either Strozier Library or Direct Science Library. You are able to add any notes in the Special Instructions segment of the request. You can also see the Terms of Use, which shows how many days you will be allowed to have the material. Choose Send Request and your request is complete. You will receive an email when the material is ready for pickup. You will have 7 days to pick up the book before it is returned to the general collection. When picking up your materials, tell the security desk you are a Florida borrower and they will issue a temporary card to pass through the turnstiles. At the Scholar Support desk, please give your name and have a photo ID on you. Our desk staff will be able to check out your requested materials to you. If you have any questions about your Florida Borrowers account, please email lib-delivery@fsu.edu or call 850-644-1486. And this concludes our tutorial on how to request materials through our Florida Borrowers program.